Amelia from the Lawrence Community Branch Library of VBDL. Today, I'm going to show you how to make string art. We'll go over materials, and then you can follow along the step-by-step process. Once you're more comfortable making simple shapes like that one, you can try more complex ones. I'm going to place my wood slice onto a piece of fabric to keep it from moving. I have my template, my tape, my tack hammer or another small hammer, 1-inch wire nails of any color, and embroidery floss. Start by taping your template securely to the wood, being mindful of any knots or grooves that might make it hard to nail. To nail directly into the template. You can also use needle nose pliers or a clothespin to protect your fingers. It's easier for me to control where I put the nail by using my hands. You'll want to hammer about 1/3 to halfway down. Don't worry about it being super straight. All the way around, keeping the nails about the same height. Tear off the template. Just gently pull. Your nails should be deep enough that they won't come loose. And now you have the outline of the star. Tie the embroidery floss onto the corner of the star. I just use a double knot and tie it as tight as I can. You're then going to loop the floss around the nails, keeping your string taut. Make an outline once or twice around, then start randomly stringing between the different nails to fill in the star. The outline again to solidify the shape. Double knot and secure it with glue. helps to push down the first layer to give the new color some room. Seal up those knots and you're all set. Be sure to tag the Van Buren District Library on Facebook if you try a project and want to share. Thanks for watching!